There was heavy uproar in the Madhya Pradesh Assembly during the budget session in Bhopal over the Dhirauli coal block in Singrauli. Leader of opposition Umang Singhar alleged that 12,998 families from 8 villages have been affected by the Adani coal block project. He claimed that many tribal families did not receive full compensation. He also alleged that relatives of some police officials were given compensation unfairly. The Congress demanded an Assembly Committee investigation. Not satisfied with the government's response, Congress MLAs staged a walkout. Due to the protest and shouting, Assembly proceedings were adjourned twice during the day. The Vishwa Hindu Parishad held a protest at the Municipal Corporation office in Jabalpur demanding proper arrangements for cows. Party workers raised slogans at the main gate and asked the administration to improve care for injured cattle. They demanded a three-step monitoring system and quick medical treatment for cows. VHP leaders also raised concern about the proper implementation of cow shelters scheme and respectful disposal of dead cattle. They warned that if the administration fails to act soon, the organization will launch a strong agitation. The protests remained peaceful but created tension in the civic office area. The annual festival at VIT University began with a traditional lamp lighting ceremony. Founder and Chancellor G. Vishwanathan presided over the event. Senior university officials and faculty members were present on the occasion. Students presented colorful cultural performances and a Bhojpuri folk dance became the main attraction of the evening. Dressed in traditional costumes, the students impressed the audience with their energetic performances. The campus atmosphere turned festive as the students also played Holi with colors spreading a message of unity and brotherhood. According to PRO Sandeep Raghuvanshi, the festival will continue from 26 to 28, featuring sports and technical competitions. Farmers staged a semi-nude protest outside the collector's office in Indore against land acquisition for the Eastern Ring Road project and the Indore-Manmad railway line. The farmers accused the administration of taking away their fertile agricultural land. During the protest, many farmers wore their agricultural medals and shield around their necks to show that the same land had earned them award. They claimed nearly 44 villages would be affected and said the land produced 3 to 4 crops a year. Due to extreme heat, one elderly farmer fainted during the protest. The incident has increased tension in the area. A tragic incident was reported from Shahdol, where a businessman allegedly gave poison to his wife and daughter before consuming poison himself. The incident happened on the night of February 24th. 16-year-old Swati and her father Shankar Lal died during treatment while the mother is currently admitted in the ICU. According to family members, Shankar Lal had lost nearly 4 lakhs rupees in an online game called BDG and was under heavy debt. Financial stress and tension are believed to have pushed him to take this extreme step. The shocking incident has created grief and anger in the local community. Madhya Pradesh is witnessing warm and pleasant weather this week. Day temperatures are rising in most cities including Bhopal, Indore, Jabalpur and Gwalior. Afternoons are sunny and slightly hot while morning and evenings remain comfortable. There is no major rainfall alert for now. Light winds are blowing in many districts giving some relief from heat. Weather officials say temperatures may increase further in the coming days. People are advised to stay hydrated and avoid direct sunlight during peak afternoon hours. Overall, the weather remains stable and mostly clear across the state.